always been telling you the trend trading strategy is still the best way to trade some of these assets. Okay, I actually picked up a signal using this trend trading tool and I posted in a Telegram channel 2 days ago, and you won't believe what the trading results is at the moment. Okay, so we're going to check all this together and see how far we have gone with this. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to this platform. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So at the beginning of this switch, okay, we started by trading this trend. Okay, this particular asset was at the resistance zone and it gave us a sell signal right from here, a downtrend signal first, and of course it gave us a sell signal. And I put this signal on the Telegram platform, and this is the result that we got at the end of the day. Okay, it gave us a huge selling opportunity till it got to this support zone. Okay, when I realized that it's finding it difficult to break out below this support zone, I realized that it may likely go back on uptrend right from there. So what did I do? I had to wait for the right signal. Okay, will it break out below this? If it breaks out below this support zone, it only means one thing. It means that it's going to sell more in that direction. Okay, but if it's not going to break out below the support zone, then it will only change the direction of the trend. Okay, so it changed the direction of the trend right from here. So I had to wait a bit and I gave out a signal at this point. Okay, at this point on the Telegram platform, you can check it out. Okay, and of course, I use this as stop loss and check it out. It went as high as this. This was where we had our first TP. Okay, you can see. So this is 15-minute time frame in case you don't know. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. And of course, this is huge profits. It gave us a lot of profit within the Telegram platform. You can see it right from here to this very moment. Okay, so it got to this region, had a pullback right from there, then broke out above it, and still it is still buying because it has not even gotten to the second TP. This is where I add the second TP. You can see it right from there. Okay, so it is still going up. If it breaks out above this successfully, then definitely it will be targeting the second TP, which is this. Okay, so that's so amazing. That is why so many people within the Telegram platform are really happy for this signal. And the signal is so easy to generate because of this trading tool which I am having. Okay, so for those that are having it, it's made it very easy for them to generate signals on their own too. Okay, because you can easily analyze the market without cracking your brain. So that is the beauty of it all. So anyone can actually do the same thing if you are having the right trading tool, most especially this particular trading tool which I am using here, which is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It is as easy as that, guys. So guys, I will be stopping right there. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, and you can easily drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.